Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning shores of Cayo Cruz, Cuba, to explore the luxurious Iberostar Selection Esmeralda. This tropical paradise opened its doors in late 2022, making it one of the newest gems in the Caribbean. So, grab your imaginary mojito, and let's dive into what makes this resort a must-visit destination. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Iberostar Selection Esmeralda boasts an impressive 571 rooms spread across two distinct sections. The main area, perfect for families and groups, offers around 450 rooms, while the adults-only coral level section provides an additional 121 rooms for those seeking a more exclusive experience. Now, picture yourself in a beautifully appointed room, inspired by the elegant coffee plantations and mansions of 19th century Cuba. The blend of colonial charm and modern luxury is truly something to behold. While we don't have exact square footage details, you can bet these rooms are spacious and well-equipped. All rooms come with the essentials you'd expect from a 5-star resort: air conditioning to keep you cool in that Caribbean heat, free Wi-Fi to keep you connected, or to make your friends back home jealous with your beach pics, a mini bar for those midnight cravings, a safe for your valuables, and a flat-screen TV for when you need a break from all that sunshine. Depending on your room choice, you might wake up to lush garden views or the mesmerizing sight of the turquoise ocean. And if you're lucky enough to snag a coral-level room, you'll be treated to upgraded services, including a personal butler. Fancy, right? Just imagine ringing a little bell and having your every whim catered to. Okay, maybe not quite like that, but you get the idea. Now let's talk about something that's always close to my heart: food and drinks. While we don't have specific restaurant names or menus, they're keeping us in suspense, folks. We do know that the Iberostar Selection Esmeralda offers multiple on-site dining options. You can expect a diverse range of cuisines typical of high-end, all-inclusive resorts. There's bound to be a grand international buffet where you can pile your plate high with delicacies from around the world. And for those nights when you're feeling a bit more sophisticated, there are sure to be specialty restaurants serving up gourmet dishes. Given the location, I'd bet my last peso that there's a restaurant showcasing delicious Cuban flavors. Think succulent ropa vieja, crispy tostines, and perfectly seasoned black beans. As for libations, the resort features multiple bars, including swim-up bars in the pool areas. Nothing says vacation quite like sipping a piña colada while you're still in the water. Am I right? Just remember to reapply that sunscreen, or you might end up looking like a very relaxed lobster. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at this Cuban oasis. While we don't have exact numbers or sizes, the Iberostar Selection Esmeralda boasts multiple pools catering to different vibes. There's bound to be a lively main pool where you can join in on aqua aerobics or volleyball games, as well as quieter pools for when you just want to float peacefully and contemplate life or your next meal. The swim-up bars we mentioned earlier are perfect for those who take staying hydrated very seriously. And let's not forget about the beach. The resort sits right on the sandy shores of Cayo Cruz, offering guests direct access to the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean. Picture soft, white sand between your toes, gently swaying palm trees, and the rhythmic sound of waves, pure bliss. The hotel provides beach palapas and lounge chairs, so you can work on your tan in comfort. For the more adventurous types, there are water sports available, including introductory scuba diving lessons in the pool. Who knows? You might discover a hidden talent for blowing bubbles underwater. Now, if you're the type who can't sit still for too long, even in paradise, fear not. The Iberostar Selection Esmeralda has plenty of activities to keep you entertained. On land, you can participate in various sports, though we don't have a specific list, but let's assume the usual suspects like tennis, volleyball, and maybe even archery if you're feeling particularly medieval. For those who want to embrace the local culture, there are dance lessons available. Learn to salsa, mambo, or cha-cha-cha. Just don't blame us if you can't stop swaying your hips for weeks after your vacation. If you prefer your exercise in the water, there are aqua fitness classes to get your heart pumping. And when the sun goes down, the entertainment doesn't stop. The resort features an amphitheater where you can enjoy live performances, music, and dance shows. It's like Broadway, but with more palm trees and fewer traffic jams. After all that activity, you might be in need of some serious R&R. That's where the spa comes in. While we don't have details on specific treatments, you can bet your bottom dollar that the spa at Iberostar Selection Esmeralda offers a range of pampering options. Picture yourself drifting off during a soothing massage, the gentle sound of waves in the background and the scent of tropical flowers in the air. Can you feel the stress melting away already? The spa likely includes facilities like saunas and steam rooms, perfect for detoxing or pretending you're detoxing while actually just napping in a warm room. For those who prefer their wellness with a side of sweat, there's a fitness center equipped with all the standard gym equipment. You can keep up with your workout routine or, just walk on the treadmill while daydreaming about your next mojito. No judgment here. Now let's talk about the little ones, because the Iberostar Selection Esmeralda isn't just for grown-ups. The resort offers a range of activities and facilities designed to keep kids entertained and parents sane. While we don't have specific details about the kids' club, it's safe to assume it's packed with fun activities, games, and maybe even some educational elements. Don't tell the kids they might be learning something. There are likely supervised activities throughout the day, giving parents a chance to enjoy some adult time without worrying about their little ones. And let's not forget the family-friendly pools we mentioned earlier, perfect for splashing contests and Marco Polo marathons. The resort's entertainment team probably organizes special events and shows for kids too, so they'll have plenty of stories to tell when they get back to school. Who knows, they might even make some international friends and start planning their future careers as diplomats or professional sandcastle builders. While it might be tempting to never leave the resort, we wouldn't blame you. There's plenty to explore in the surrounding area. Cayo Cruz is known for its pristine beaches and crystal clear waters, making it a paradise for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Within about a 20 kilometers radius, you'll find small cays perfect for nature exploration. Imagine taking a boat trip to a secluded island, feeling like a modern-day Robinson Crusoe, but with a much better cocktail selection. While there aren't any major urban centers nearby, this isolation is part of the charm. It's a perfect place to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature, and maybe your travel companions, if you haven't gotten sick of them yet. The hotel can arrange tours and excursions, so you can discover the best of what the area has to offer without the stress of planning it yourself. Just remember to bring your sense of adventure, and maybe some bug spray, because let's face it, even paradise has mosquitoes. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.